Alright, so before I come cuss and go on or whatever, I'm not a professional YouTuber, I'm just a regular person right now. So I'm using my resources to the best of my ability to try to help someone. Say, I'm not having a tripod and nothing, but I'm there same way. Say, stay tuned. Hi, so this is Golden Chaviel, and I decided to make this video because a lot of people are struggling with getting their driver's license or whatever in Jamaica, so stay tuned. Okay, so there are three parts to getting your licenses. The first one is a written test, the next one is a yard test, and the final one is a road test. So let's get into the written test. Alright, so with the written test, if you're doing a private license, you'll only be required to do a road code test, which is 25 questions. And if you study the book that you're supposed to buy now, when going for your provisionals, you'll be fine. Everything that you need to know is in there. It's not really hard. So yeah, just study the book and you'll be fine. However, if you're doing the generals as well, you need to study the back part of the book. That's a pink part of the book. If you buy the book, you should know what I'm talking about. Just study all of them. You don't know which one going to come, and I don't remember all of them, but I remember that I passed. So just study everything and you'll be fine. And that's 22 questions, but it can be more than one answer. So it can be A and B, or A, B, and C, or just A. So just study to show thyself approved. And that's pretty much it for the written part. Okay, so now for the ER test. For the ER test, you'll be required to do three things: to parallel park on both sides, left and right, to reverse, and to stay on a ramp, and not to roll back. Okay, so some tips for reversing. You're not required to only use your mirror. You can use your head, push your head through and look to see where you're going, and you should be fine. The other stuff, whoever is teaching you or whatever, they should ensure that you know how to parallel park. It's not really hard. You can even YouTube that. And yeah, the ramp, if you're driving stick, it's harder. So whoever is teaching you, just ask them to show you how to do that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you've done all of that, then you're good to go. Just don't touch any stones and don't let the vehicle roll back. Don't hit any cones either, and you should be good. So the last part is the road test. For the road test, just relax. If you can drive, you don't have anything to worry about. Proper usage of the sign, how you treat people on the road. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And know how to use a roundabout. Know how to turn back using a minor road. Know how to use your road junctions, all of that. Just ensure that you read the book and you should be fine. I hope this video helped. And I hope you passed. All the best. God bless. Peace. Last thing before I go, if you have any questions or comments or whatever, feel free to ask them down below. I'll be happy to answer to everybody who asks. And if you like this video, or if it helped, or you're going to do your test and you did it and this video helped, feel free to come back and comment and let me know how it goes. Yeah, so all the best. God bless. Peace.